So today is the first day orientation for our fall 2023 co-op and intern class. And it's a chance for the students to hear about Kinaxis from our CEO, John Sicard. I'm going to speak to them about all things Kinaxis. They're going to have a chance to see the facility. Everyone gets to know each other. We get to see a face as opposed to just a name that we've recruited. We've seen an increase in applicants every semester to the point where we've had an average of 575 applicants per role this semester. So the students selected are essentially in the top 0.2% of all applicants.
I'm super excited to work here at Kinaxis. It's honestly, I've done my research and I found that this company is one of the top rated companies of North America. I'm just super excited to join the team and to do something that I really want to do and have a lot of passion for, and something I can actually start to grow my career.
I picked Kinaxis, but also Kinaxis picked me. It's a great experience to be here, and I'm really excited.
I really like meeting the other interns. It was really fun, like they're all like me, around the same age. We're all, kind of learning more about our careers and kind of growing together, and it kind of, gives this kind of friendship relationship with everyone, with your coworkers.
I think the students are really going to enjoy getting a chance to see the Canada HQ with all the wonderful amenities that we have, from the fitness facility to the hive with the concert stage to the games room. It's just a wonderful facility to work.